Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox disconnected error code 277. This error often indicates a lost connection to the game server, but don't worry, we have several solutions. First, try restarting your device, be it a computer, phone, or console, as this can clear many temporary issues. Next, always check the Roblox server status page to ensure the problem isn't on their end. Finally, a simple yet effective step is to power cycle your modem and router. Turn them off for about 30 seconds before turning them back on. These initial steps often resolve the issue quickly. If the error persists, let's optimize your network connection. A wired Ethernet connection is generally more stable than Wi-Fi, reducing packet loss and latency. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with Roblox's connection. Another crucial step is to flush your DNS cache. On Windows, you can do this by opening Command Prompt and typing ipconfig/flushdins. This clears out old, potentially corrupted network data, allowing for a fresh connection to Roblox servers and often resolving error 277. Now, let's focus on the Roblox application and your system. Make sure your Roblox app is fully updated, as outdated versions can lead to compatibility problems and error 277. Clearing the application's cache and logs can also help, as corrupted game data is a common culprit. You can usually find these in your local app data folders. Additionally, your firewall or antivirus software might be mistakenly blocking Roblox. Try temporarily disabling them to see if that resolves the connection issue, but remember to re-enable them afterward for security. If you've tried all previous steps and still encounter error 277, it's time for more advanced measures. A complete uninstall and reinstall of Roblox can often fix deeply rooted file corruption. This ensures you have a fresh, clean installation of the game. You can also utilize your operating system's network troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and suggest fixes for connectivity problems. Finally, if the issue remains unresolved, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide specific guidance and solutions tailored to your situation, helping you get back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.